Do you know how God Vishnu became Jal Narayan? The god who rests in the waters of Nepal. Stay till the end. The final reason is something even Nepal's kings feared. Long before Kathmandu became a city of temples, there lived a quiet devotee named Haridatta. Every single day he walked to the four Narayana shrines of the valley, praying with one question in his heart: where is the one true Narayana? One night everything changed. In a dream as bright as daylight, Vishnu appeared before him, reclining on Ananta, resting on gentle waters. And the voice said, I lie hidden beneath the earth. Come find me. Haridatta woke trembling. The dream showed him one exact place, a silent field at the foot of Shivapuri. He ran there at sunrise, but destiny had reached before him. A farmer was already plowing that same field. It was a simple morning until his plow hit something solid. A sharp clang, a sudden shiver through the ground, and then water began rising from the soil. As if something beneath the earth had just taken its first breath, the farmer froze. His plow had chipped a stone nose sticking out of the mud. The break was small but alive with mystery. Villagers rushed in. They dug with their hands, and what they uncovered left everyone speechless. First the nose, then the calm, beautiful face, and then the entire massive body of God Vishnu reclining on the coils of Ananta, the very form Haridatta saw in his dream. The farmer stared at his plow and whispered, I struck God. Even today, people say that the tiny mark on Jalanarayan's nose is from that very moment Vishnu chose to reveal himself. As the idol emerged, the water kept filling the pit around him, turning it into a natural pond fed by hidden mountain springs. And in that sacred water, God Vishnu rested as Jalanarayan, the sleeping Vishnu of Nepal. But there is one last twist. Centuries later, King Pratap Malla had a frightening vision that any reigning king who looked upon Jalnarayan would die soon after. The fear was so strong that from that day until the end of Nepal's monarchy, no king ever visited Buddha Nilkantha. They worshipped from afar, never daring to stand in front of the real Murti. And that is how God Vishnu appeared as Jalnarayan, not carved, not installed, but found, waiting beneath the earth, revealing himself not to the strongest or the richest, but to a humble farmer and a devotee who never stopped searching. Because in our scriptures, God appears only when devotion is pure and the time is right. If you enjoyed watching the story, comment Om Namo Narayanaya. Follow Temple Girl to know the real stories behind our ancient temples.